Increase in rainfall activity over Goa is very likely to affect from 10 September 2020, predicts IMD Goa. According to IMD Goa press release on 10 September 2020, the weather systems which are likely to enhance rainfall activity over Goa are the cyclonic circulations over East Central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast extending up to 2.1 kilometers above mean sea level, an offshore trough at mean sea level from Maharashtra coast to Kerala coast, an east-west shear zone roughly along 14° north across the peninsular India and seen between 3.1 and 3.6 km above mean sea level, which is likely to shift northward in the coming days. A low pressure area likely to form over West Central Bay of Bengal off Andhra Pradesh coast around 13 September. Weather warning for Goa state issued by Meteorological Center Goa on 13 hours 1st of 10 September 2020 are as follows. On 11 September, heavy rainfall is very likely at a few places with very heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places in Goa. On 12 September, heavy rainfall is very likely at isolated places in Goa. On 13 September, heavy rainfall is very likely at isolated places in Goa. On 14 September, heavy rainfall is very likely at isolated places in Goa. Possible impact of very heavy rainfall during the forecasting period over North Goa and South Goa district are as follows. Localized waterlogging, flooding of susceptible informal settlements, low-lying areas, beaches and agricultural fields. Localized waterlogging, flooding in urban areas. Localized and short-term disruption to municipal services, water, electricity, etc. Possibility of mudslides and rockfalls in hilly and ghat areas. Weak trees may get uprooted. Possibility of collapse of weak old structures. Possible damage to crops. Possible impact of winds during the forecasting period over North Goa and South Goa district are as follows. Weak trees may get uprooted. Localized power interruptions. Fisherman warning for Maharashtra Goa coast issued at 13 hours of 10 September 2020. Warning for South Maharashtra Goa coast up to 75 km from the coast. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour very likely on 10th and 11 September. Warning for high sea and other coast beyond 75 km from the coast. Strong wind with wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour likely to prevail along and off Kerala and Karnataka coast and over Lakshadweep area on 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th September 2020. Fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas during the above period. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.